We have a Honda CRZ headlight build finished up today for a customer who sent in his OEM headlights. Now these headlights were in pretty bad shape given the age of the vehicle. The lenses were pretty hazed over and yellowing. He did purchase our stage 1 lens restoration, and this is after we did a moderate buffing and got them cleaned up as good as possible given the service level he did purchase here. They're definitely internals are definitely visible now, whereas before they were very, very cloudy and will definitely affect the output. So our headlight modification performance and style package for this vehicle includes the tuning of the factory projector. His are the HID system. It's a D4S projector here, and we removed the factory glass lens and replaced them with the aftermarket 100% optically clear lenses, which will give him a nice, sharp, and colorful output after the modification has been done. And of course, we do the proper lens spacing and tuning to get the cutoff as sharp as possible. And his headlights are the pre-facelift CRZ. So on the newer ones, they do have kind of like a DRL LED section on the bezel at the bottom. So he wanted to imitate that, and we kind of went over some options, and we ended up going with an LED strip here on the bottom and kind of did this check mark running from the top inner side of the bezel down towards the bottom. And we're going to cut everything on here just to show you what it looks like. This is going to cut the HID bulb on, and we're going to cut on the strip as well here. So that is with it all lit up here. And these strips are actually switchback, and we also did opt for the switchback sequential model. So upon activating turn signals, this is the effect that you'll get with the sequential switchback. Now these are just wired up direct to power right now, so they are kind of cycling pretty quickly. And we'll try to imitate what it would be on the car, kind of slowing down this connection. So it might go like this, just at a lower speed. And then of course it returns back to white when when the turn signals are off. And just to give you guys a final look, we're going to cut the lights off. It's kind of blowing out the camera right now. So 100% factory look. Oh yeah, and we did modify the high beam bowls here. Forgot to mention that. These are our high beam bowls that we have tinted a yellow color, so they're permanently stained that color there. And they do give a good contrast against the factory black bezels. These headlights are pretty interesting. They do have that like blue kind of plastic shroud almost that is situated actually in front of the projector lens. Interesting look. This is a vehicle that Honda discontinued, but we have done several of these CRZ headlights, and we can work on the factory halogen H11 projector variants or this D4S HID version. You can visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package available for the CRZ. Just browse under the Honda headlight package section. You'll find this option for speccing out a set of these headlights. If you have any other questions, you can reach us online, VisionAutoworks.com. Our contact information is on the website. Thank you.